Hi, this is the Empower Slides 8.8 release video. I want to just quickly go through 3 highlights from that new version. So let's get started. Convert presentations, probably one of the biggest features we've ever done. And while we have done the conversion of old presentations to a new corporate design since a long time, we've actually rethought the entire feature and have rebuilt it from scratch in order to be much more successful in all various kind of situations where old templates have been really messed up and we still want to get a great result. So let me show you a quick example. I do have an old presentation. So you see it's an old 4x3 format. It's a messed up master in terms of multiple layouts inside. I have footnotes that are actually off and not consistent. And in this case, the logo changed, the colors changed, everything. So let me show you what happens now. In Empower 8.8, I'll have the convert button. And here I could actually copy over slides and just convert the selected slides in my presentation. But I could also take the entire deck and say I want to convert the entire presentation to my default. Or in that case, I can choose from a set of templates and then I can select the template I want to apply it to. Last but not least, there are the conversion settings, which is really cool. You see it, it kind of defines whether we try to use the entire space of a slide or not, whether we automatically run design check afterwards and fix all the issues, and whether it should be asked every time I'll do that. So let me say, okay. So now I want to choose a template. I take our standard master, say I want to convert the entire presentation. Here I'm just confirming. And now a lot of magic is going on. So the new master is applied, the new file size, slide size format is applied, layouts are cleaned, colors are fixed, fonts are fixed, and you see the result here. So that's our starting slide. This has been perfectly converted. We have here nothing has been stretched or so, although we are still using the entire space of that new 16:9 format. And you see here that has been very nicely stretched to fit on the entire slide rather than just, being on the left hand side. And so you see the result is amazing. The design check has run through, bullets have been corrected, everything. So that's the new slide conversion. It works much better. We've done a lot of simulations with clients, and up to 80% of all slides that are converted automatically don't need any click of retouch. So nothing has to be reworked in 80% of all cases. The other 20%, sometimes only a few little things have to be improved. Sometimes we still need manual work. But that's our exciting new slide conversion that works for all kind of old master templates. So secondly, we have added limits in DeepL. So we have the DeepL translation engine since 2 versions already. But now you can define in the customizing tool, you could say, I want to have a user specific limit of costs that a user can occur in a given time, so in a given time period. So that ensures you that there are no costs that explode when people use DeepL. It's a super popular feature among our clients. So if you have not installed it yet, check it out. It's really cool. And last but not least, which goes really hand in hand with DeepL, is the language switch. So besides DeepL, we still have our powerful library where you can manage your German and English and French and all the different slide language versions of one slide. So while they are now in the library connected, when you switch between slides inside your presentation, Empower will now take the validated translation from your library. So let's have a quick example. In that case, I have a German slide here, it's our mission, and I am looking for the English version. And if I'm now hitting the translate functionality and say I want to go into taking the English version, and I hit OK, it automatically checks, hey, there is an English version, and it automatically pulls that English version into my presentation and exchanges it. So we see here the English version. So that was not a translation through DeepL, through the automated engine, but because there has been already a proven translation in my library. And just to showcase you how nicely it works together, if I translate now to a language that I have not in my version, let's take, for example, French. So right now I don't have a French version in my library. What now happens is now Empower realizes, oh, there's no French version. Let's go to DeepL. Let's make a translation on the fly. You see here the French text, and it gives me the little sticker, hey, please review, as this has been automatically translated. So that was in a nutshell the 3 highlights of version 8.8. Yeah, we're excited as always to get your feedback. Check it out, and we'll update you soon with the new versions. Thank you. Bye bye.